Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef hot pot. First, let's prepare a rich and aromatic broth, which is the heart of any great hot pot experience. We'll then discuss selecting the perfect cuts of beef, ideally sliced to about 1/8 inch thickness for quick cooking. Finally, we'll gather an array of fresh vegetables and craft delicious dipping sauces to complement your meal. Selecting the right ingredients is key to an amazing hot pot. Opt for tender beef cuts such as ribeye or sirloin, ensuring they are thinly sliced for optimal cooking. Don't forget a diverse selection of fresh vegetables like bok choy, enoki mushrooms, and some noodles. Crafting a few different dipping sauces allows everyone to customize their experience. Now for the fun part, cooking. Bring your flavorful broth to a gentle simmer in the hot pot. Each diner can then cook their chosen ingredients, like those thinly sliced beef pieces or fresh vegetables, directly in the simmering liquid for just a few moments. It's a wonderfully interactive and communal way to enjoy a delicious meal with friends and family. To ensure the best hot pot experience, always maintain a consistent, gentle simmer for your broth. Regularly skim any foam that rises to the surface. This keeps your broth clear and its flavors pure. Remember, hot pot is about enjoying the process and the company. For more great deals and to find the link for the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.